Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see how to draw Sai Baba. The required items are color, brush, paint, pencil, sharpener, scale, rubber, white pen and pencil. First, draw the grid of 2 cm on an A4 sheet using scale and pencil. Draw the outline of Sai Baba as I shown in the right hand side of the video. You can even take the screenshot of the outline. If you do not know how to draw drawings using grid method, you can download the grid drawing application from Play Store. It will help you to draw an accurate outline of the reference. I'll be given the application link in the description. Take the screenshot of the outline which will help you to draw an accurate reference. Now give the first layer with yellow color and dark the outline using black and brown. Using white gel pen, highlight the highlighted part. Observe the reference and repeat the same process to the other eye. Give the first layer around the eyes with skin color and shade the second layer with yellow color. Now use the orange color to shade the darker part, then use the dark brown to shade extreme darker part. Now draw the eyebrow using dark brown color. Shade the upper portion of the eyes using skin color as first layer, then use the yellow color as the second layer. Now shade the wrinkles using orange color and dark brown for even more darker color. Use the skin color for upper part of forehead as first layer. Dart the upper part using the dark brown color. Draw the eyebrow using dark brown color. Repeat the same process on other side. If you did not hit the like button till now, hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel. Shade the skin color between the two eyes, darken it with orange color. Dark the eye portion with orange color. Draw the nama with red color. Now let's draw the nose. First shade the nose using skin color as the first layer, then use the yellow color as second layer. Dark the border of the nose using orange color. Using brown color, dark the lower part of the eyes as shown in the video. Continue shading the orange color till the down of the nose. Again use the orange color to blend the border of the nose. Using orange and dark brown, shade the darker part of the nose. Blend the border of nose using darker brown. Now use the skin color for the left portion of the face as first layer, then use the yellow color as the second layer. Shade the wrinkle part with orange. Shade the darker brown for some darker region to get realistic look. Use white Apsara pencil for highlighted region. Now repeat the same process for the other side of the face to get a natural look. Use the orange color for the wrinkle portion under the eye and near the beard. Observe the reference and shade near the beard. Use darker brown for more darker region. When there is an extreme dark, do not use directly black. First use brown, then use black. Use orange color to blend the skin texture and near the beard to get a realistic look. Use the Apsara white pencil to blend near the highlighted part. Now let's draw the lips. First use the skin color as first layer, then use the pink as second layer. Darken the outer part of the lips using red and darker pink. For darker shade, use black color and dark brown color. For beard, use skin color as the first layer and then use the light yellow as second layer. Now use the grey for third layer and lighter brown for the fourth layer. Under the lips, use black color for the beard texture, then use the light brown for the beard. Observe the reference and draw the lines for beard using black and brown color to shade. Blend all the lines using light brown color. For neck portion, use the light brown as the first layer and then use the darker brown as for second layer. Use again the light brown to blend it to get a smooth texture. For cloth, use light pink as the first layer and then use dark pink for the second layer. Shade the cloth texture using black and grey color. Repeat the same process for the lower cloth near the shoulder. For chain, use the black color and draw the circles and fill it using white gel pen. Use red color for the circle and then use the yellow color around it and darken the border using brown color. For the cloth around the head, use light pink as the first layer, then use the dark pink for the darker region and then use black for more darker region. Blend the cloth using light pink color. For background, use the black color. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Comment your favorite part of the video. Thank you. See you in the next video.